Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. My name's Racquel Henry, the founder here at Writers Atelier, and I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 1-minute-ish video. I always say the ish because I tend to go over. So if you watch our channel, then you know that our motivational minutes for the month of November are geared at NaNoWriMo, aka National Novel Writing Month. And today I want to remind everybody to connect to their why. By the time you see this video, we'll be about halfway through NaNoWriMo, or at least coming up on the halfway mark. And this is the part where it starts getting a little bit tough. Just like in our novels, right? That muddy middle, right? We're going to be in the muddy middle of the novel, and we're also going to be in the muddy middle of NaNoWriMo. And it's going to want to feel, you're going to feel like you want to give up. I can't get my words right today. And here's where I remind you that you started writing this novel for a reason, right? You started because you wanted to tell a specific story, right? And all of us have various reasons for why we write what we write. But here I want you to go back to that beginning phase where you decided you wanted to work on this project and how excited you were. So remember your why. Whenever the going gets tough, not just for NaNoWriMo, go back to your why. All right? If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you all on the next Motivational Minute. Keep going, and I will still say it. Happy NaNoWriMo. Bye.